Hi, this is Brenda Geiger again, and today I want to talk with you about why it's so important to protect your children with a continuing asset protection trust inside your revocable trust. The main reason is that we don't want your kids to take over the money at the age of 18. And if you don't have an estate plan in place, that is what exactly is going to happen if you're in the state of California. The state of California has an estate plan for you. It's the state probate code. So your child, if you have nothing in place for them, would inherit at the age of 18. There are a couple of reasons why this is not good. The first is that they could harm themselves with the money that you leave behind. And the second is that there's no asset protection for them from creditors, predators, or divorcing spouses. So you need to be looking at that in the future. So it's very important that you look into having asset protection trusts for your kids inside your revocable trust. This also works great for adult beneficiaries as well. And a great example of this is I had a client about 2 years ago that came to me, and her husband died in a skydiving accident. They had no estate plan set up, no will. Everything went through the probate process, and the 2 minor children got 2/3 of the estate, and she got 1/3. It was very long through the probate process, took about 2.5 years, and she also was going to be on title to the property that her husband had in his name only. 1/3 her, 2/3 the children. And I don't think anybody in their right mind wants to be on title with their minor children to their home. So fortunately we were able to help her. We got her through the process, and we were able to negotiate a settlement with the attorneys that were representing the children. And she got the home, and they got a little bit more in securities. But you can avoid all of this by making sure that you have an estate plan set up, and in particular have continuing trusts set up for your kids. Another bad thing about this was that her children are now going to have access to that money at the age of 18, which I don't think, I definitely know that she didn't want that to happen, and I'm sure if I had met him prior, he wouldn't have wanted that to happen either.